for NDTV.
And like we said, there are angry voices on the streets of Delhi. This is similar to the scenes that we saw in December after that horrific gang rape. And let's listen into some of the voices that are really coming in as a form of protest. Let's listen in.
हमारी दो डिमांड है, महिला सुरक्षा सुनिश्चित करो और ऐसी नालायक जो दिल्ली पुलिस का जो हेड है नीरज कुमार, उसको बर्खास्त करो, एसीपी अलावत और एसएचओ को जेल भेजो। मुझे लगता है तभी हम लोगों को शांति मिलेगी।
फांसी होनी चाहिए, कुछ नहीं होता है, पुलिस वाले जूड़ा पहन के बैठे सारे हाथ में।
देखिए, इमीडिएट डिमांड यही है कि जो पुलिस ऑफिसर घूस देने का कोशिश किए थे उनको गिरफ्तार किया जाए, जेल के पीछे भेजा जाए। जिन एसीपी ने थप्पड़ मारे थे उनको जेल के पीछे भेजा जाए, नीरज कुमार इस्तीफा दे।
हमारे जो इंस्टीट्यूशंस है, हमारी जो पुलिस है, वो क्यों अपना काम नहीं करती है? आज हम ये बेसिक मांग करने आए हैं कि एसीपी को सलाखों के पीछे होना चाहिए। 166A के लिए जो एसएचओ ने एफआईआर दर्ज नहीं किया, उसको सलाखों के पीछे होना चाहिए एंड नीरज कुमार को इस्तीफा देना चाहिए।
You know, child sexual abuse is a problem which is very, very prevalent. How could policing, how could the police be, could they have stopped it, is what they are, you know, in December 16, definitely, we obviously saw the connection because they were moving around in a vehicle which was impounded, which should have been impounded. But in this case, how do we really, you know, nail them?
Sunitra, it is true that the society is breeding the sexual perverts. They are the brutes who are around. They are criminals. It is true, and society has to wake up to the call to change the mindset. We have to start identifying such people, giving them to the police custody. We have to start identifying these people, make society aware. We have to change our value system in the family. There is absolutely no denying of this fact. But at the same time, when the police is, you know, informed, when the family goes to tell the police that, look, this is, my daughter is lost, should they not take it seriously? Should they not start searching? Should they not take violence against women as a serious offense? This is the problem. This is where the problem is. And also on the top of that, when you look at Aligarh, the way police was beating women, look at in Punjab, the way police was beating women, look at the way Delhi police slapped a woman. So it's Home Minister must resign. Why should this government is not serious at all.
All right, and of course, angry voices really of people out on the streets of Delhi. This is very similar to the kind of anger that we saw across the nation in December when that 23-year-old was brutally gang raped. And well, of course, she couldn't make it and she died, but that 5-year-old girl is recovering in the hospital. Doctors say she will have to stay on for 2 more weeks. But since December, there have been an increasing spate of rapes across the country. Sunitra Chaudhary joins us from Jantar Mantar, where all of this anger is spilling out on the streets. Sunitra, we saw you talking to a few protesters. Obviously, every single person angry, as there has been little change since December when we saw those massive protests. What's happening there right now on the ground? Are they still trying to cross over from the barricades to get to the parliament, Sunitra?
Well, you know, they are the women over here, activists who are holding this protest. They are very, very clear that they don't want it to get hijacked by Lamban elements. So we have them all, most of them sitting over here quietly, making their speeches, making their point. A lot of them, it's an amalgamation of women's activists who come over here. They're doing their speeches and not really. A lot of all other kind of protesters come to Jantar Mantar to make their voice heard.
All right, we seem to be having some trouble with Sunitra line. We're going to try and come back to her in just a bit. But as I was saying, you know, those are shots that you're looking at on your screens. Many of them, of course, from Aam Aadmi Party. You can see them wearing those caps. A lot of these students also from SFI, which is the students' wing of the left. And also from the All India Students Association. Yesterday, we saw protests also on the streets with ISA students and members trying to march from police headquarters to India Gate, where they were not allowed into the hexagon. And also we saw Aam Aadmi Party protesters, all of them asking for action to be taken against police brutality. specifically action to be taken against the Delhi Police Commissioner Neeraj Kumar and also the ACP Allahabad, who was caught on camera on Friday slapping a young girl. But let's also cut across to the Parliament,